Hello everybody, welcome back to another video. It is another awesome day. It's beautiful. I'm so glad it's not raining. This week the report actually said that the forecast said it was going to be not so good weather, but fortunately it's nice. I'm very happy. And so today I'm here with Satoshi. He's already over there, way over there. We're here, we're filming for the Tabits channel, but I thought I'd take you guys along to see more details of where we are. We're in a place called Ome, and it's actually inside the city of, not the city, Tokyo Prefecture. We're inside Tokyo Prefecture, and we love coming here. It's been about 5 years since the last time we were here. We do have some old videos on Tabits, which I don't really recommend. They're really old and not done so well, but yeah, we're down here to have a picnic at the banks of the river in Ome, so come along with me. All right guys, so here we are at the riverbank. This is about a 15-minute walk from Ome station, so it's not too far from the station. To get to Ome station from Tokyo, it takes about an hour from Shinjuku. Not too far. Here we are. So here we are at the bridge, and we're gonna cross the river right now. It's another very hot day here today, and I haven't really gotten a good night's sleep, which makes it a little bit difficult for me, but that's okay. Here, take a look at the river. It's a beautiful river, by the way. Can you believe that this is Tokyo? Look at the other side here. Makes you go, doesn't it? This area is surrounded by mountains, and this river is the Tamagawa River. This flows all the way down to Haneda Airport. So, what's your day like today? I'm hot. I'm sweating like crazy again. Whew. A lot of you guys get worried for me, you tell me, don't forget to drink your water. Unfortunately, I forgot to buy water. All I could think about was going to the restroom. I had to pee really badly, so I did that. And then the place I was planning to buy my water, they were out of business. Like they're closed, and I thought I would find a vending machine on the way to the river, but unfortunately I couldn't find one. But I'm pretty sure I can find one somewhere here. Anyway, Satoshi has some water, so I should be fine. So yeah, here. So I gotta give you guys one more look at the river from this angle, because it's just stunning. Gosh, it's been 5 years since I've last been here. All right, let's go meet up with Satoshi. He's right down there. Whew. Okay, you guys see Satoshi? He's over there taking photos or video. Not really sure which one. Oh, there's some people camping down there. A lot of nature here. Hello, Satoshi. Oh, there's a toilet here. Mindy's mom, don't worry, you can come here. They have public restrooms. No problem. Okay, now all we have to do is look for a spot for our picnic. Hello, Satoshi.
Hi, hello everybody.
I'm hungry.
Enjoying the scenic.
It's nice, isn't it?
Yeah, very nice. I'm nostalgic for me. When I was a child, I played in the river like this.
Really? In Yamagata?
Yeah.
Really? Oh, that's interesting. I played the river too, but the river I played at was in Hawaii, and it wasn't this beautiful. It was actually kind of dirty. So those are apartments over there overlooking the river. They must have a really nice view.
That's right.
Oh, this is nice. I wouldn't mind coming to camp here. They don't camp overnight, right? It's just a day camp, right?
I think so.
You think so? I know nothing about camping. Yeah, if you ask me about camping, I know nothing about it. Do any of you guys go camping? Are you camping experts? You know, in theory, I would love to go camping. In theory, but I'm definitely afraid of insects and I don't fish. Like the idea of fishing sounds very romantic and nice. But when it comes to actually touching the fish when it's alive, I don't know about that. And a lot of people use, you know, worms as bait, and yeah, I can't touch that either. Definitely afraid of worms. It's very nice. Ah, the air is fresh. It's clean. Oh, I also noticed that they're doing social distancing on these benches as well. It says, please do not sit here. Same over here. And Ome is famous for ume, which is why this place is called O-ume. And this right here is a ume tree. It says ume in Japanese. They have a ume festival every year. This year though, like everywhere else in Japan, all festivals have been canceled. And I believe the ume trees, they were destroyed this year or last year because of something. I don't quite remember the details. So that was unfortunate. This is nice. Oh, I can smell charcoal and barbecue. Reminds me of Hawaii. Isn't this nice? And once again, I'll say it millions of times. We're in Tokyo, guys. This is still Tokyo. I don't know, the last few years I think I've been so busy and caught up with making videos in the city and traveling, I completely forgot that this place existed. But now, since traveling is discouraged domestically and of course forbidden, not forbidden but highly discouraged to go out of the country unless one wants to quarantine for 2 weeks, it's the perfect time to rediscover the city of Tokyo. Ah, there? You want to sit there? Did you find a place? He's enjoying it. You can tell he's really enjoying. Remember, I went to Odaiba to check on that beach because that was actually Satoshi's idea. He's like, I want to go like by water. I wonder how Odaiba is, and you know, it wasn't too nice. And so I'm really glad that we came here today. Must be careful of my footing. Okay. This is so nice. I love it. There's always something new to discover in your own backyard. Really. You don't necessarily have to leave your own city to enjoy life. Oh, it's very nice. The water is very clean as well. It's very clear. Okay, so all we have to do is sit down somewhere so we can have a picnic. Yeah, where should we sit? It's very rocky. Over there? Okay. Yeah. Yeah, so there are a lot of rocks here. Doesn't seem too comfortable. So we'll go here. We'll go here where it's a bit more smoother. It's kind of like sand. This is sand, isn't it? Alright, so I think Satoshi has decided on a spot. So, let me put down the map. There we go. I think this looks good. What do you guys think? Nice, huh? By the way, we got this picnic mat. It folds up, you know, very small. But we got it for like, it was very cheap. It was like, like 1,200 yen. Very convenient and very light too. Are you ready to eat?
Yes.
Yes.
That feels so nice.
You feel so nice? You have a lot of water, right?
Yep.
Good. Okay, I couldn't find a vending machine.
The wind
Unfortunately,
is so comfortable.
it is.
It's not humid today.
Yeah, it's nice. It's really
The
beautiful.
temperature is just right, not super hot.
Well, plus we're by the river and also we're in the shade.
Yeah.
Yeah. If the sun was beaming on us, it would be hotter, I think.
And the cicada sounds is nice. Nice sound effect.
nice,
effect, it's
nice
sound
atmosphere. It's not a sound effect. So this is our view. This is the view from where we're sitting. We can feel the breeze and it's very, very pleasant. And we're about to film our picnic. So first thing we have to do is sanitize our hands because we will be eating sandwiches and onigiri.
Yes. This contains
Alcohol. Yes. Ever since the pandemic started, this has become a habit of mine. I guess it's a good habit. I've been sanitizing my hands like constantly.
Yep.
You know, after I touch something at the supermarket, when I come out, I'll sanitize my hands. After I finish filming one of these videos, I go to the nearest restroom and wash my hands with soap and water thoroughly. Oh, how's my hair? It's okay? Yeah? Okay, so what do we have?
So, today's bento box. Ta-da! I took 2 hours to prepare.
2 hours?
Yes.
Really?
Yes.
Thank you so much.
Ta-da!
Yeah, we got broccoli and we got
Broccoli and tomato. That's it. 2
Yeah.
hours preparation. That's it.
2 hours preparation for broccoli and tomato? Nash abroad would be pissed. No, we actually got sandwiches and onigiri. And actually guys, we're not going to show you the food because we're filming this for the Tabi Eats channel. Good?
Good. Very good.
It is, huh? It really is.
I made really nice.
You really did.
Lunchbox.
Thank you so much. You worked hard this morning.
2 hours.
Yeah. By the way, we're eating a tonkatsu sandwich, homemade by Satoshi. It's so delicious. So good. We also got like veggies and onigiri and a whole bunch of stuff. We just finished filming the eating portion of the Tabi's video. Oishii
梅
干し。Refreshing, isn't it?
It's very good for hot summer day.
Perfect. We're gonna finish eating up here, and then we'll take a short walk along the river. Okay? That was a good lunch, by the way. Don't miss that video on Tabi Eats. I think that's already out. I think this video is coming out after that video. But what did you guys think? Did you enjoy that video? If you didn't watch it and you have no idea what I'm talking about, what are you doing? Go and watch that video. Okay, I do have to be careful. I'm not used to walking on rocks like this. Don't want to fall into the river. I wonder what that man is doing. He's like placing the rocks to another place. I don't know. There must be a purpose for that. There must be a reason for that. Let's see. I don't know which way I should go. By the way, I'm navigating this whole area. I'm sure you can tell that I'm far from a nature boy. See, I wonder what that person is doing. He or she is removing rocks, or moving rocks and placing it in a, or throwing it onto a different area. Let's go down there. Oh. I'm so bad at this, I swear. Going back up a little bit. I don't want to slip. Please don't slip. You can do it. You can do it. I did it. We are down by the river. I don't feel how cold the water is. I wonder if it's warm. It is a pretty hot day. Oh, it's cold. It is so cold. Wow. I didn't expect it to be so cold. Look how clear the water is. It's so beautiful. Oh, this is nice. Those people over there having a barbecue right over there near the water. I don't see any fish. Where are the fish? Oh, this is nice. I'm gonna touch the water one more time. Oh, I do see some small little fish now. They're very tiny though. Oh, this is nice. Whew. Head rush. I just got head rush. Do you guys get head rush? I get it all the time. Like if I stand up too quickly, especially when it's a hot day. Whoa. Easier to go up. All right. Satoshi's filming me. I'm filming him. We're filming each other. Oh, you should feel the water. It's so cold. And it's so clear. There's like tiny little fish.
Oh,
go check it out. Yeah, I'll watch everything. I'll watch everything. Whew, that was nice. Be careful. Do not slip. You should put on your shoes on properly. Okay. Let's go. Let's go watch him. I'm gonna follow him. Like, I don't think anyone's gonna steal anything here. Satoshi, it's easier this way if you go down this way. こっちの方が簡単. He's better at this than I am though. Because he grew up in the country. Wow, you're going all the way there. Don't fall. 冷たいでしょ? Cold, right? Careful. Feels good, yeah? Isn't it nice?
Very nice.
Oh.
Cold.
Satoshi, what is that lady doing over there? Why is she moving the rocks from one place to another?
席を作ってるんじゃないかな。
Seki? Seki? She's making a place to sit.
No.
No.
The trap.
A trap. She's building a trap for fish.
For fish.
Really? That's interesting.
Maybe.
Maybe. I had no idea. So maybe she's building a trap. I don't know. Any of you guys know? You know what would be cool is if one of you guys, we should all get together, like all of us, when traveling opens up, and maybe one of you guys or a couple of you guys are good at camping. You guys know everything about camping. We should all go camping one day. We'll just follow you. Instead of walking around, I think I'm just gonna lie back and just chill here for a bit, if you don't mind.
Yeah.
This is nice, isn't it?
So relaxing.
Relaxing. Oh, that breeze. Oh, nice breeze.
Sky is beautiful.
Yes, oh here. Look at the sky.
Stick.
Look how beautiful. This is the view I have, guys. Lying down. This is the view of the sky.
Clouds are like cotton.
Like cotton, yeah. Kind of looks like cotton. Oh boy, the last time we were here together was 5 years ago. I think we came here about 4 times, I think, in a very short span of time. We kept coming back here to make videos. That was at the beginning of our YouTube career, so those videos are kind of crap. But I feel like we should make videos again here. It was kind of sad because we went to the area around the station, and the big department store slash supermarket was out of business. The bread store was closed. The souvenir shop on the corner was closed, and then all the shops across the street was closed. So it was kind of sad for me. This place is very quiet. Not many people live here. It's a very old city. It's charming though. Lots of nature, and they do have a few very good local products like the ume that I was talking about. So I feel like we should come back and support this community.
Definitely.
Yeah,
It's a nice place.
it's a very nice place.
And nostalgic atmosphere.
Nostalgic
all over
atmosphere.
The town.
Yeah, I think so. Do you guys want to see me come back and film here? There's a lot to do here. I can show you guys the city, around the station. It's a very nostalgic city with an old Japan feel. Like it feels like time kind of stands still here. And then there's a small little mountain right behind the station where you can actually hike. I've done that a couple of times. It's really nice. They have snakes though.
And museum.
Museums, yes, they have like some very interesting museums, and also there's this one alley where you walk, and I don't know, it's such a like
Alley.
makeshift like home, like somebody made it out of just from whatever they could find. Alley full of cats. Yeah, not real cats, but hard to explain, but it's kind of cool. I like it. All right, so we packed everything up. Looky, this is what the mat looks like. It's very compact and very light. I love it. So it's time to head on home. That was really nice. I would love to come back again. Thank you, River. We'll be back. We will be back. Okay, I'm gonna go this way because Satoshi says that there's a park this way. The apartment right in front of me, that apartment, that red brick apartment, the view must be amazing from here, from there. A park? Is it in here? Maybe this is a park. Let's go in here. So this is one of those areas where I should just be quiet and let you guys enjoy the sounds of this place. So I'm gonna shut up for just one moment. This part of the video is dedicated to Mindy's mom. The reason being, there are restrooms right there. Restrooms. You know what I'm going to do? I'm going to do something that I don't usually do. Well, check out the restroom. See how clean it is. And kind of tacky, but I want to see myself, for myself, if the restrooms are truly clean. So where's the entrance? Ah, here. Obviously, I won't be able to go into the ladies, so I'll go into the men's. So this is a public restroom in a park. Okay, so it's fairly clean. Ah, okay, so these are one of the squat toilets, so they don't have any Western ones. They do have toilet paper here though. Yeah, not bad. You have a sink where you can wash your hands. Not bad. That's a very basic toilet. You don't really find these squat toilets in the city as much. But that's the only option you have here. Unfortunately, it is a challenge to use it if you've never used a squat toilet before. But it can be done. I've used it hundreds of times. Ah, look at these trees here. Very tall trees. Now, I saw a building here, like a pretty big imposing building around here. I'm wondering if that's like a hotel or something. Oh, this is the park map of the Kamanofuchi Park area. So we're here. This is where we were having the picnic, around here. That's a bridge. There's a lawn area, there's a forest area. Okay. I believe if I go straight down here, I will bump into Satoshi. That's what I'm hoping. I don't see him. I don't see him. Where is he? I've lost him. Maybe I should turn back. Yeah, I feel like if I don't turn back, I'll completely lose him. Ah! No, that's not him. I thought that was him. I saw a guy in a hat, a cap, but that's an old man. Oh, no camping. So I think this means no camping on this grass area, but you can camp on the rocks by the river. あれ、どこに行ったんだろう。さとしさん、どこにいるんでしょうか。どこにいますか。Ah, I see him. He's like, I think he's looking for me, but he went all the way down there. Yeah, he sees me. He sees me. サトシさん、探してた？ごめんね。Yeah, he was looking for me. So sorry. Ah, it's really nice here.
Yeah, very nice.
Yeah. With that said, thank you so much, guys. I'm going to be ending this video here. Thank you for joining me today. And once again, if you want to see more of Ome, this area Ome, like the city part, please let me know in the comments down below, and I will come back and do that for you. Thanks, guys, and take care. Bye.